Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. Students, today we will read articles, and in this video we will discuss about articles, various types of articles, use of articles, pronunciations of articles with some examples. So all of you get ready and let us start. So first of all, let us see the definitions of articles. What are articles? Articles are words used before a noun and modify noun. It also function as adjectives. Here we have to understand that articles are words that will always use before a noun and it will modify noun. It also functions as adjectives. In sentence, articles sometimes function as adjectives. So I hope this is clear to all of you students. What are articles? Now we have to see the types of articles. How many articles are there in English? There are three articles in English. There are three articles in English. What are they? A and the. You can see through the figure articles a and the. Now the next one, how many types of articles? Now these three articles are divided into two types. Okay, articles are of two types. What are they? Definite articles, that is the, and indefinite articles, that are a and an. So these are the types of articles. Now we will see each type of articles, the use of each types with some examples. So the first one is definite articles. What is the use of definite article? The is definite article and it can be used with both countable nouns, that may be singular and plural, and with uncountable nouns. It specifies the person, place or thing. Student, we have to understand that the definite article the will use with both countable and uncountable nouns. They may be singular and plural. I hope you understand what is singular and plural. Okay, and the most important is it specifies the person, place or thing. So the definite article the always specify the person, place or thing. So let us see some examples. The Bible is a religious book. We all know that Bible is a holy book. It's very special. So the definite article the specifies the Bible here. You can see easily. The Ganga is a holy river. We know that Ganga is a religious river in our country. Okay. So we know so Ganga is special. So here the specifies the Ganga here. The moon is very bright tonight. We all like moon and we also like moonlight. It's very calm and bright. So moon is special. So this the specifies the moon here. He is the tallest boy in the class. Now here we have to understand the tallest. Tallest is a superlative degree. Just like good, better, best, tall, taller, tallest. So in superlative degree, we always use the article. Okay, before superlative degree we always use article the. You have to understand it and you have to keep in your mind. The next one is the kangaroo is found in Australia. Here kangaroo is special and we are talking about kangaroo that finds in Australia. So the specify the kangaroo here. So you can easily understand the definite article the through these examples. I hope this is clear to all of you students. What is definite article and what are the use of definite articles? Now the next one is indefinite articles, the second types of articles. What are indefinite articles and its uses? So let us see one by one. A and an are indefinite articles. Okay, a is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Here we have to understand that a is used before a word beginning with consonant sound. We already know that we have to use a before a word that start with the consonant sounds. Here you can see the examples: a pen, a dog, a chair, a cat, etc. Here pen, dog, chair and cat are beginning with the consonant sound pa, da, ka, ka. So these are all uh, article. These are all words that are beginning with consonant sound. So we are using article a before these words. Now the next one is an. So what is the use of an? Let us see. An is used before a word beginning with vowel sounds. We know what are vowel: a, e, I, o, u. So we have to use an. The words before beginning with the vowel sounds. Let us see examples: an apple, an eagle, etc. So here you can see apple, egg, eagle are the words which are beginning with the vowel sound a, a. Okay, so these are all vowel sounds. So we use articles and before these words. I hope this is clear to all of you students, the use of article a and an. Now the next one, very important and interesting also, the pronunciations of the, where you have to pronunciate the as the and the. Okay, so let us see vowel sound. When any word will start with the vowel letter or vowel sound, then we will pronounce the as the. Okay, not the. So here you have to understand that the America, the apple, because America and apple are starting with vowel sound, so we will use the as the, not the. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now let us see the when any word will start with consonant sound, then we will pronounce the as the, not the. For example, the big house, the rounded ball. Here you can see that big start with the consonant sound, rounded also start with the consonant sound, so we will pronounce the as the. I hope this is clear to all of you students, the pronunciations of the as the and the. Now this was all about the use of articles, where we have to use articles. Now we will see where we don't have to use articles, that is omissions of the articles. So this is very important, so let us know. Okay, we do not use articles before proper noun. When proper noun will come in a sentence, we will not use articles before that. Examples: I am Alicia. Here you can say that Alicia is a proper noun, so there is no any article before Alicia. Second one, we omit the articles before abstract nouns used in general sense. When abstract noun will be used in general sense in a sentence, then we will not use articles before that abstract noun. For example, integrity is a quality. Here integrity is an abstract noun and it is used in general sense here, so there is no any articles before integrity. Okay, so I hope this is clear to all of you students. Now the next one is, we do not use articles before nouns that are used in general sense, including uncountable nouns. When noun will be used in general sense in a sentence, then we will not use articles before them. It may be uncountable noun also. For example, plants need air, water, and sunlight to grow. So here you can see that plants is a noun. Plants are nouns. Here is added. So in a plural form, air, water, these are all noun, but there is no articles before these words. So we have to understand that we don't have to use articles because here these nouns are used in general sense. I hope this is clear to all of you students. Now the next one is, we do not use articles before the names of cities, towns, countries, days, months, arts, language, sciences, and some disease. Here we have to understand that we will not use articles before the name of cities. Cities just like Patna city, Kolkata, Mumbai. So we will not use article before cities, towns, Bhagalpur towns, countries, India, China, Russia. We will not use articles before them. Days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We will not articles before day. Arts, languages, sciences, and some disease. And also before some diseases, we will not use articles. Let us see some examples. Jahir is moving to New Delhi. Here you can see that New Delhi is a city, and there is no any article before this. It is very cold in Srinagar in January. Here you can say that Srinagar is the name of city and January is the name of month. In both the words, there is before no articles. So I hope this is clear to all of you students, where we don't have to use articles, that is omissions of the articles. So from this we come to the end of this class. Now I hope you understood the lessons very well. Articles, types of articles, use of articles, pronunciations of articles, and also the omissions of articles, that is where we don't have to use articles. So now you have to prepare your fair copy in the same way. You have to figure also as I have figured in my copy, and after preparing your fair copy you have to remember all these things. Okay, and the next work that you have to do, you have to solve your exercise problem that is given in your book. So this is all about today. In our next video we will meet again with a new topic. Till then, all of you take care, keep learning. Bye bye.